Service Legends. My name is Jose, and I believe we spoke to Katie about sending you this video, so here it is as promised. And today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to bring in more traffic through your website organically so that you don't have to pay for Yelp services or ads to bring in more leads, which Yelp actually shares your leads with like 5 other companies anyways. So I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine, so let's get to it. Number 1, you want to get more content. Okay, you want to get about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page because Google reads everything here in blue, including your images. So, for example, if I go to save this right here, see how it just says services flag repair? You don't want to save it under that. You want to save it under HVAC Des Moines, right? Heating Des Moines, cooling Des Moines. The words that people are typing into Google, that's the words that you want. So you want to get about 1,000, 1,500 words and add some of these keywords in there as well. So you have keywords in your pictures and you have keywords in your text. And that's how Google will start recognizing you as the provider for these services. And I did pull up a couple of your competitors, and I put all of you guys here in this tool that allows me to look at your stats. So you have 674 keywords. These guys have 19,000, and these guys have 889. So let's take a look at how many words you're actually ranking for. Let's line them up from first to last. Now keep in mind that in order to be found for a keyword, you have to be in positions 1 through 10. So Service Legends Des Moines is being searched 100 times and you're in the first position. Service Legends Heating and Cooling, 80 searches, first position. Now keep in mind that there's a lot of irrelevant words that you're ranking for. Let's say, because you want to rank for ones that are buyer intent, right? People that are looking for your services. Service Legends Des Moines, 100 searches a month. So you're getting quite a few calls. Now the thing is, how many are you missing out on now? Service Legends, 700 searches a month, 700 searches a month. Now look at your positions, they start growing quick. 4th position, temperature zoning, types of AC units. See, there's a lot of words that aren't going to get you necessarily customers. Types of air conditioners is how to clean pilot light. Air conditioning types explained. So a lot of your hundreds of words are pretty much useless. So I don't know who's targeting these, but you got to get onto them. Types of AC systems. See, these are useless words that people are searching that are on your website. Types of air conditioning units. You want people that are buying. So let me give you an idea, because you get to where you're not ranking for these words anymore and you don't get a lot of buyer intent. So let's look at this. Heating contractor Des Moines. Okay, heating and cooling 800. Des Moines HVAC 50 searches. Heating Des Moines 20. Des Moines HVAC 50. So you see, these guys are getting a lot of calls because these are words that people are typing in that are looking for service, are looking for installs, are looking for heating. As you can see, heating and cooling Des Moines, heating and cooling Des Moines, heating Des Moines, Iowa. So, and they're in first position for all of these. You see that? And right here, but for you guys, you were already on the 7th position and losing more keywords. So I really wanted to take the first few minutes to emphasize that for you so you can go ahead and start adding those keywords as soon as possible. Which brings me to the second point, backlinks. Backlinks is how your website gets power. The UR is your front page power. The DR is your overall website power. So what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And you want to get high quality backlinks, because if you get low quality backlinks, it'll drop your score. High quality backlinks will bring your score up. So you want to really focus on getting high quality backlinks. As you can see, you have 4,000. These guys only have 500, yet they have a stronger website than what you guys have, and probably because they have higher quality ones. The third tip I want to give you is the map pack here. In order to outrank everybody on the map pack, you need citations. What a citation is whenever you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory, such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, then that's what a citation is. And there's a lot of free places you can list your business in. So competitors have. And there's tools online that will allow you to see how many they have. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to share with you. Number 1 being content filled with keywords. Number 2, backlinks. And number 3, citations. You guys can do this yourselves. It just takes some time and research. But if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me at 806-268-7118. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design. And I hope this helps and you guys stay blessed.